We're gonna go over an exercise to help with knee extension. So this is great if you are post-surgical, you just had knee surgery, maybe you had a knee meniscectomy done, an ACL repair, a total knee replacement. As a disclaimer though, I will recommend that you always consult with your surgeon or a physical therapist if you're gonna be doing this exercise. My name is Dr. Eric Broadworth. I am a doctor of physical therapy and the owner of Fuel Health and Wellness in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And this exercise, it's terminal knee extension, and we're gonna be using a band here. So what I love about this is it's gonna help strengthen the quads and also help cue and work you into full knee extension. So again, if you're stuck with a little bit of that knee bend because maybe your knee is swollen, everything's really tight, this is gonna help loosen that up and get those quads working. So I'm gonna have Nate here hold the band, but you're gonna put a band around your knee like so, and you could have your knee up on a step, or you could have it down below. And so what we're gonna do is we've got some tension on the band. You could even tie a knot right there and then have the knot tied into a door to anchor it or around a table. And all we're gonna do is I've got my knee, a little tension on the band, knees bent, and then I'm gonna tighten my quad, pulling my knee back. Hold for 3, 2, 1, and then relax. 3, 2, 1, and then relax. And you can do 10 to 20 repetitions of that. I usually recommend my patients do both sides just so the affected side can feel what it's like on the good side to get that done. But this is a really good, again, exercise to work knee extension, range of motion. And then if you want to advance that, the next step would be to do that with a step up. So now I'm using a step. I've got the band going this way, and I'm gonna step up into it. So just like so, step up, pull that knee back to tighten the quads, just like this. And again, this is a really good exercise if you had knee surgery and you're working to try and get that knee to straighten properly. If you have any questions, please put in the comments below. Happy to answer those. Thanks for watching.